Erik Kuna here, and I'm here with your Photo Tip Friday. We just got done shooting with this EOS R6 on a class on it, and I want to talk about the EOS R series lenses, and especially this control ring. And the photo tip I have this week is make sure if you got these cameras that you consider programming that control ring. So one of the new things with the Canon lenses is they have the control ring on the adapter or on the lenses. You can actually go in and customize what that control ring does. And you can set it to say exposure conversation or your ISO or your white balance, and be able to right there just switch it right on the lens and move the adapter ring to control that. And that's one of the things we get in the class. We want to get customizing our camera so we can really get down and make sure it's the right shooting style for us. If you want more tips like this, join me in my class over here on KelbyOne.com.